Welcome friends, I have installed Radxa OS on SD card and booted my Rock 5B Plus device, but it was very sluggish. So to check if speed improves with NVMe, let's install it as per guide on Radxa.com. As per the guide, we have to prepare SD card and boot device with it. Then we have to update system. Then using our set of utility, we have to update SPI flash, which is bootloader. This I have already done in last video. So now first we have to check whether the NVMe is detected or not. The NVMe is detected without doing any additional setup. As per the guide, we have to download image and transfer it through SSH to our device. I already have image on my computer which I have flashed on SD card. I will transfer same through SSH. We can check image present in home directory with ls command. Also, we have to check path of NVMe to flash image. Copy paste image flashing command from guide. Change NVMe drive location as per actual. Add sudo before NVMe command. Change image location as per actual. Now flashing is completed. Let's shut down the device. I will remove SD card and boot from NVMe. The first boot from NVMe was super quick. Friends, booting from NVMe is very easy and quick. Overall UI is very responsive. So that's all for this video. Let's meet in next video. Thanks for watching.